would like to ask if I can file a divorce here in Canada as a tourist, and my husband is here on tourist as well, tourist visa also. So is it possible to file for a divorce here and then remarry again inside Canada, even if I am married in the Philippines? And is it possible to apply for a fiancé visa after the divorce, even if I am married still in my country, the Philippines?
Kahit tourist lang po kayo, kahit nga walang status, kung tutusin Pero ang importante, resident kayo for at least 1 year. Nandito kayo sa Canada for at least 1 year. Regardless of your status, pwede kayo mag-file. And siguro nga maganda na nandito rin yung ex po ninyo para mas madali siyang ma-serve. Yung serve, meaning mabigyan siya ng copy ng application niyo. And kung magko-cooperate nga din po si husband, mag-joint na lang kayo. Kung mas mapapadali yung proseso. So kung okay lang na mag-usap kayo at para joint yung application niyo, that can help. Pagka na-divorce na ba, pwede magpakasal sa Canada. Kahit Philippines nga hindi recognize yung divorce. Pwede. As far as Canada is concerned, okay yon. Hindi naman kasi si Canada nagtatanong sa ibang bansa katulad ng Philippines, okay ba sa inyo? Basta as far as Canada is concerned, yung divorce yung valid, and then pwede na kayong magpakasal dito sa Canada. Last question, pwede bang mag-apply ng fiancé visa or I think sponsorship siguro ang tanong mo? Pwede naman. So kasi nga, kasal naman na kayo, yun lang naman yung kailangan para sa sponsorship. And of course, at the same time, patunayan yun na naman, genuine yung relationship nyo.